Internships, one of the best opportunities for students to gain real-world experience. But have you ever wondered what makes a successful internship? We're finding that this is not that simple. Well, what if we measured it by looking at how much it actually benefits the student, the industry, and the university? This means knowing what it is that they want to get out of it at the start, and then designing the internship around that. Testing this idea led to some pretty cool stuff. We found that students benefit differently depending on whether they see themselves as career starters, career advancers, or career changers. For our industry, we found that some prioritize getting students to contribute to day-to-day operations, while others are much more interested in picking their brains for fresh and innovative insights. I guess this research taught us that there really is no one-size-fits-all approach to internships, but by starting the conversation around benefits, we're finding that this might just be the path to producing work-ready graduates.